Sabrent presents the USB 3.0 SATA dual bay drive docking station. Insert any 2.5-inch hard drives. Now hold down for 10 seconds until the green lights turn on. The docking station's ability to read and write simultaneously, along with its 5 gigabits per second transfer rate, lets you copy your data from one computer to another with ease. It is compatible with USB 3.0 devices. Transfer your data from one workspace to the next. Also compatible with both Mac and PC operating system. Take your work with you on the go. USB 3.0 docking station, presented by Sabrent.